My favorite aspect about this desk organizer is that it takes a couple different things that you otherwise would have had spread out across your desk and compacts them all into one unit, like your pen cups or your folder holder. Is that what those are called? But it combines them all into one spot on your desk, making it less cluttered and helping keep you organized. So it comes with 2 cup holders, 3 shelves for folders or papers, and then this one upright folder compartment, as well as this pull-out drawer that has 3 different sections in it for all sorts of office supplies. I put this drawer on the bottom, but it actually fits in 2 of the compartments, so you can customize it to what works for you. It's all made of metal and has a satin black finish to it. It was really easy to assemble and took me less than 5 minutes to do, and it includes the instructions that are very easy to follow that'll help you put it together. But basically the frame snaps into place, the 2 shelves slide right in, and then you also snap in the folder compartment and cup holders. If you're looking to organize your desk or office, this is really going to help you achieve that.